Welcome students. In this video we're going to talk about vertical motion. We're going to use Rolle's theorem to find AC where f prime of c equals 0. So the setup is like this. You have a cannon sending a projectile at a height of 6 feet, and the projectile has an initial velocity of 48 feet per second. So we're gonna model this projectile by the function f of t equals negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 6. Notice you have 48 here. That means that it comes from the velocity, and the 6 is the height. So this is in feet per second. No, actually this is the height, so this is gonna be in feet. So first of all, we need to determine whether we can use Rolle's theorem. So the interval we're gonna look at, so this is a polynomial, so it is definitely gonna be continuous on 1, 2, and it's gonna be differentiable on 1, 2. Now we need to determine whether f of 1 is equal to f of 2. The endpoints are equal when you plug them into the height function. So f of 1, you plug it in here, so it will be 16 times 2 squared plus 48. So this is actually 1. This is 1 plus 6. That should give you 38. And then f of 2, that's gonna be 16 times, that would do 2 squared, that would be 4 plus 48 times 2 plus 6, that's gonna give you 38 as well if you do the calculation. So this matches. So by Rolle's theorem, there exists a C such that where f prime of c equals 0 on 1, 2, on the open interval 1, 2. So now let's find that C. So the way we do it, we take the derivative. So f prime of t is equal to 16, that will become negative 32t plus 48. So that's the derivative. Now we're gonna set it equal to 0. We're gonna find negative 2t equals negative 48 divided by negative 32, negative 32. So t is equal to 48 over 32, and that is equal to 3 over 2 feet, and that would be 3 over 2 seconds. So if you plug in f of 3 over 2 onto here, that would be negative 32 times 3 over 2 plus 48. That should give me 0. So let's see. 32 divided by 2, that's 32 divided by 2, that's 16. And 16 times 3, that would be negative times negative 32. No, sorry, negative 16 times 3, that would be negative 48. So negative 48 plus 48, that's 0. So that checks out. So the velocity at 3 over 2, which is, so at 1.5 seconds, velocity is equal to 0 feet per second. So somewhere here, the velocity is going to be 0 feet per second. Thank you very much, students. So I teach you how to use Rolle's theorem to find given a height function that represents the projectile motion, vertical motion. Using Rolle's theorem, we find that the velocity is equal to 0 somewhere in the interval, open interval 1, 2. Thank you very much.